Picture a gated community with 24-hour security, with an 18-hole golf course and a lake and beautiful sea views. And if that's not enough, how about a second 18-hole golf course and a hotel so grand, so opulent, so private and secure that a sitting US president's family chose it as their holiday destination. And if that's not enough, so close to the beach you can practically walk there, and when you get there, it's got its own beach club. Sounds like a fantasy, but it isn't. This is Los Flamingos. And before we've even entered, look how impressive this entrance is. It's over 12 meters high, these huge windows, these water features, and you can actually see the sea before you even go inside. So where do I even begin? This huge door, double height ceiling, loads of glass, lift here, everything is finished, so amazing, but the first thing that strikes you is this incredible view. So here we have the sitting room. Obviously you have a beautiful double-sided fireplace, and you have these amazing floor to ceiling windows that are flush to the ground, and they're all framing that amazing view and that incredible swimming pool that we'll talk about afterwards. And the kitchen. Of course, the kitchen with these beautiful surfaces, loads of storage room, Gaggenau appliances, and like everywhere else in this house, all looking at the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. You have a formal dining area, and of course this, the stunning gardens. The ensuite with these beautiful floors, loads of storage, round bath, huge shower, a walk-through closet with loads and loads of room, and finally the master suite, central bed, looking out on those views. Now it's worth mentioning, this house is 6 bed, 6.5 bath, over 700 square meters, and a garden of over 1,400 meters. And when the sun goes down, you come to this luxurious lower level where we have a bar, seating area, a lovely TV area, but also a cinema area, and your guests can be alone because you have 2 bedrooms, both en suite, and loads of natural light with these floor to ceiling windows. And last but not least, this stunning private terrace just off your master suite. That's not only a wraparound, but check out those views. You can actually see Africa. You can see the beach. That's how close it is. In fact, we're only about 10-15 minutes from the center of Marbella, and we are surrounded by shops, restaurants, anything your heart desires. Now, sadly, that's all we have time for today, but if you want to see this villa, click the link below. For now, I'm out. See you later.